Hey guys, so I'm in Target today getting my toiletries. If you are still on Dove, please let it go. Get some Method Body. I'm telling y'all, Method Body has done me good, and I wouldn't lie to y'all. Let's see what I have to get next. And also, let me show y'all what I picked up. I got some Black Girl sunscreen, but I don't know how this shit work, but people been saying that black people need sunscreen, and I don't know, at first I didn't believe it, because like as black people, we do need a lot of vitamin D, which is the sunlight vitamin. So I was like, if we put sunscreen on, we gonna basically block that. But I mean, if you just put a little swoosh, rubbing it over your skin, then yeah, but it is proven that we can get sunburnt. So while we are sunbathing, we should be using sunscreen. But this is $15.99. I think they kind of pushing it, because the other one with I think it was Neutrogena, it had said it was just $9.99. But y'all labeling this Black Girl sunscreen, it's probably the same shit that's in Neutrogena, and y'all just overcharging so y'all can profit off of black people. Don't be playing. I'm on to y'all. But still, I think I'm gonna get it anyway, so let me shut my ass up. I'm not getting no food because I'm getting my toes done after this. Y'all, if y'all still using Listerine, please let that go. Please, I'm telling you now, let it go. Get you some. If I find it, I will show y'all. Hold on, y'all, we gonna find it together. Okay, so this is where I need y'all to get some Thermobreath, okay? Stop holding on to that Listerine. Now, I know that shit say $14.99. Don't freak out. I think that's for the healthy gums. It's like $2 more for the, I don't know what the difference is between these. So I got this one last time, but y'all should get this one right here, because I'm gonna try it today, and I'll tell y'all how it goes. Yeah, this is our little basket right here. Looks cool. It's about pushing $40, but it's okay, because we have it. Not gonna lie, y'all, I do need me a Instamax little camera. Now, my sister has a Hello Kitty one at home, which is perfect, but I think they stopped selling those, so I'm gonna just have to get like one of these in itself. And I don't mind spending the money for it. The film is pretty expensive, but like if I'm gonna be traveling soon, I'm gonna have to get some. I'm sorry, I keep zooming in and out, but that feature is cool on this iPhone. Yeah, I'm recording on my phone. Not that mindset of waiting until I get my new camera. I will get it soon, but it's just the fact that I was like, I can't keep waiting till I just get my camera. Like, I have a good phone that I invested into, that I bought, that I promised I was gonna start vlogging on, but then I stopped because I felt like I couldn't do a lot with editing, but I will try. So as long as I'm trying every day and I'm actually trying to film, then I'm doing something. This stuff reminds me of like the book fair when I was younger, but it's like I never had any money to buy anything. I never had money for the book fair, so I used to just watch while the other kids got like books and stuff, and then I was empty-handed. Also, guys, I do want to get a record player for my room since I am getting my sewing machine this Friday. So yeah, they got a lot of records here, but they are expensive. I think they are cheaper at... Oh. I hear them whispering about the places that they definitely have it cheaper at Barnes & Noble, so I'm gonna pass. But in reality, I'm just like waiting on my friend to get here, because he said he's coming get like pedicure with me. That's like, I'm not a girly girl, y'all. That's like the feet, right? I'm finna be so real with y'all when I start posting my shit, because look, I'm getting vlogging cameras, y'all. Look. Let's look at it just to get a view. Okay, so this is the M200. was gonna start with this camera, but I did like the features on the Mark G7X, but I don't know if they have those cameras in stock because everywhere that I was looking, it was like completely gone. Let's try to get a thumbnail, guys. People just staring at me like I'm fucking crazy, but it's okay, because we love it. I'm doing my job, guys. You know what? I'm gonna include, hold on, my phone. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna include the apartment tour footage in this vlog for you guys. I didn't even record inside the apartment. So that was out the picture. I should buy myself some flowers today because, like, I deserve all the flowers in the world. Nobody's gonna get it for me at the moment because, yeah. Oh, and they're just like $15, I think. Some flowers, guys. Self-love. But speaking of self-love, I miss my AirPods like so much, but it's like, do I really want to spend $200 again, or can I just use the headphones that I already had, even though they're not Apple? They're like wired. They're not even wired Apple headphones, but I do want some AirPods. But I'm not seeing any AirPods, so I don't even know if they're out. So maybe that's a sign. Let's keep moving. Oh wow, that's good.
Okay, 2 minutes. Get a close up. You get a close up on those.
Keep bumping though. What is wrong with me? Getting my eyebrows done next, because it's been a while. I think I'm pretty good. I just need like a little cleanup. So I'm gonna tell them to clean it up. And after we're gonna go to Joann's and see which sewing machine I need. I hope I got a good thumbnail today. Just waiting. My eyebrows kind of already look. Get that off right there. Get this off right here. Otherwise than that, like, everything looks good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Computer off.
Okay.
Okay, open your.
Little crybaby.
There you go. You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too. I'll be back. All right. But they look really, really nice. Like, music, get out of here. We're gonna go eat. Need to put some lip gloss on.
You look good.
Thanks. Look more sophisticated in my vlog.
They fit you.
I know. I want to get some like these, but.
Sorry.
Sorry, I was vlogging. What I just got, guys. I'm gonna just hold it up.
My bitches is pretty, they showing their titties is up to the ceiling.